Hi, welcome to Erin's Cooking Show. Today we're going to be making a cake from scratch. Basically, making a cake without cake mix. With me, I have Libby, who will be actually doing the baking. I'm just doing the talking. Okay, so first step, collect all of your ingredients. Now, you mix all of these in a good sized bowl. Make sure to mix it well enough. There shouldn't be any clumps in it at all. Take 10 minutes to pour it into the bowl. Bake the cake in the oven for 25 minutes. Struggle to take it out of the oven.
Want to try this cake?
No, thank you.
Alright. Hey, would you want to try this cake?
Get your darn cake out of here.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because...
Hey, you want to try this cake?
Sure. Actually, I'm a vegan.
Hey, do you want to try this cake?
No gracias. No gracias.
No gracias.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, do you want to try this cake?
No thanks.
Man, okay. Hey, Mr. Lev, you want this cake?
Sure. Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh my.
I love it.